but she start convince me.
Guys, good morning. So today is Friday and today is first. Happy new month, November babies. So today I'm going to work out with the gym and I'm wearing this for the gym. This is the fit that I'm wearing. I love it. I don't do colors, but I did colors. And I'm also wearing these simple sneakers. I think you can see them. Plus, yeah. So I'm taking my gym bag. It is full because it has so many things. It has my changing clothes, it has my swimwear, and then I'm also going to sauna and steam. And then later, I'm going for a coffee date with Boo. And I'm also having my tea. Today I'm not taking tea because today I'm not taking coffee because I want to take some good special coffee. So these are the things that I'm going with. And I don't know whether I'm going to be filming, but we shall see what we're going to do. We shall see when we reach there. But anyway, I'm late and it's always on time. So let's go to the gym and we work on our bodies. Guys, my body it's not painful, but we are gaining our body back. We had grown so fat, but I look good. One thing you should never forget, I look good. So if you are there and you're my competition, hey, I look good, like naturally good. And then one thing I've realized, I cannot beef with someone who wears butts, artificial butts. Look at that. Anyways, I was kidding, but if the shoe fits, wear it. Let's go to the gym.
Giving myself 6 months to completely change my life. I want to reach my full potential. I know that there are parts of me that I'm holding back because of fear, and I don't want to do that anymore. I have big dreams and I have goals that I know I will not be able to reach if I don't let go of some shit that I'm holding on to. Just go for it. Do all.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is, now I did. Pretty city, she brought me kisses. Now 30 degrees, way too close, hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Guess who is in the gym? That one in.
I should have known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking of all the things that we did. You did something, 'cause shit like that don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me thinking I'll step on the wild side, cutting out ties. You one of a kind, the way you look in my eyes, loving me nice and slow. You made me wanna come through 2:15 just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of the things that you and me we do. You make me wanna come through 2:15 just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of the things that you and me we do. That's just what you made me wanna do. I drop all these women for you. Got my feelings running on the loose. This ain't what I'm really used to. Before anything happened between us, you were like my best friend, the one I used to run and talk to. Me and my girl was having problems. You used to say it'll be okay, suggest start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with you. You make me wanna leave the one I'm with and start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with you.
Hey loves, welcome back here. It is currently 11:40 and I just came back home. I'm from the village. I know I did not talk about that, but I'm from Barrio. Today we lost a sister, actually. A sister, a mother, a friend, a teacher, and someone who meant a lot to people, different people. And I don't know, I've been emotionless. I think some people think or thought I'm just heartless because this is exactly what happens to my dad. This sister of ours, she got sick, she has been sick. And I've been emotionless because I did not know how to react. I did not know what to say or how to perform, how to act. So I just decided to keep quiet, just like how it happened to my dad. To my dad, it was different. It was a shock. So when everything was happening, I reflected on so many things, and I realized I have to look into myself on how I interact with people, how like I impact people's lives. Of course, I don't have a very bad relationship with people unless otherwise, but I really don't. But I don't know whether some people realize that actually they hurt us a lot and they damage us a lot to the extent that we cannot explain. Especially relatives. Relatives can damage us, and it's so unfortunate that we don't talk about these things, you know. So today's incident has really taught me a lot. I've learned a lot ever since my dad died. I've really learned a lot, and I'm putting everything in count and into consideration, and I'm trying to learn from every situation. Sometimes we get so hard to the extent of thinking or judging ourselves or judging others, or actually hurting others, and it's all for nothing. It's all for nothing. You never know when your day is coming. So I think we just have to be good to each other, and we try to reflect and consider how other people or how other parties feel about a certain act or reaction. You're responsible for your reaction. It's bad. I've come back and I thought I've been thinking a lot of things. We were in the car and everyone was talking, and I just didn't have anything to say. I just didn't. And that's me. If I'm in shock, or when things are too much, if the situation is really not giving, if it is too much, if it is toxic, I always opt for silence. Because I don't know, I'm so analytical, and I don't want to out reason people, because sometimes if I try to do stuff, they think I'm arrogant, they think I'm bragging, I'm so proud and all that. That's how people tell me sometimes. So sometimes I opt for silence, because sometimes it's actually important, very important. I've come back. I decided to take a very hot shower because I felt like I needed to relax. I felt like I needed it. Like, to just get rid of the emotions that I had. I did not even cry. When it came to my father, I did not cry on that very day. The following day I did not cry. Because it was a shock. It took me a while for me to accept. And a lot happened when he died. Actually, before we even buried him, a lot happened and I was emotionless. I did not know what to think. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know how to act, or to respond. So I think sometimes we just have to take time and, we listen to ourselves and we look into the things that we do or we're about to do, the decisions that we make to avoid hurting others that much. I've taken a shower, so I'm going to sleep with this mask. It's been long ever since I applied the mask. I feel like it's needed. I've taken a very, very hot shower. I should have scrubbed, but yesterday I did. Though little bit so I needed to really at least exfoliate. I know it's not safe, but it wasn't safe for me either to leave my skin just like that after a long day of being in dust, So I'm going to sleep with this mask because why not? It's a good one. I actually prefer sleeping with it. I clean my face very, very well, and then leave it throughout the night. My hair has grown and I feel like I should do some plaiting, like simple one. I'm tired of this style. I'm tired of it. So yeah, I wanted to talk to you real quick. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to the gym. I'm going to do gym tomorrow. I was supposed to do gym today, but yeah, shit happened and yeah, I couldn't. So tomorrow we are doing gym. On Saturday we are doing gym. Tomorrow I'm going to edit. Expect a vlog. A very nice vlog. Though I lost my content for 2 months. Look at this. My phone just shut down. And right now I don't know what to do for it because I just got a new phone. I thought I was going to do some good content, but yeah, I lost it. Like it has shut down, and honestly I've not picked the morale of repairing it because of the content that I lost. It was really nice and it took me time to put it together. But yeah, tomorrow we shall go to the gym. We shall do some sauna too. I miss swimming, but I have not got the morale of swimming again. Currently I'm just doing gym and sauna. Maybe a little bit of steam, but I don't like steam. I don't like it because it's always wet. And I care so much about my hygiene. I love tracking my hygiene, So yeah, tomorrow we shall do gym. We're going to edit. We're going to work. We have quite a number of things to do, but I'm going to try to loosen up because yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we wake up in a good mood. I'm going to try my best to be in my best mood, tomorrow, because I need to put out some good work out there. I've made this my mask brush because I'm tired of touching this mask. So guys, see you tomorrow. Good night.